Once again, typical Florida weather. It stopped raining for 3 seconds, and then it started up again. And then 30 seconds later, it's like this right now. It's almost stopped raining completely. Don't need my hazard lights on anymore. And I could go back to resuming my speed, turn this down. But exactly like Florida weather. Exactly as Florida weather. It rains and it stops whenever it feels like it. But, oh man. It was something. Looking at the clouds. I'm still not completely out of this. I can still see up ahead it's raining. As soon as I say it, it stops raining. Imagine that.